Losing weight can often feel like an uphill battle, with countless diets and supplements claiming to offer the magic solution. However, amidst this plethora of weight loss aids, one natural supplement has been garnering attention for its potential benefits: berberine. Known for its use in traditional Chinese medicine, berberine is not just another fad supplement. It's backed by science for its potential in aiding weight loss and improving health. Let's delve into how berberine can be used for weight loss, exploring the studies and understanding its mechanism of action. But before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. First things first, what is berberine? It's a compound extracted from several different plants, including a group of shrubs called berberis. Traditionally, berberine has been used to treat various ailments, but recent research has highlighted its potential in aiding weight loss and improving metabolic health. The magic of berberine lies in its ability to activate an enzyme called AMP-activated protein kinase, or AMPK, often referred to as a metabolic master switch. AMPK plays a significant role in regulating metabolism. When activated, it can help increase fat burning and decrease fat storage, making it a key player in weight management. But how effective is berberine when it comes to weight loss? Several studies have looked into this. A study published in the Journal of Metabolism, Clinical and Experimental, found that obese individuals who took 500 milligrams of berberine 3 times per day for 12 weeks lost an average of 5 pounds and 3.6% of their body fat. This weight loss might not seem like a lot at first glance, but it's important to note that the participants didn't change their diet or exercise habits. This suggests that berberine can be an effective tool for weight loss, even without significant lifestyle changes. Another study in the Phytomedicine Journal echoed these findings. Participants in this study not only lost weight, but also saw improvements in their cholesterol levels and insulin sensitivity. Improving insulin sensitivity is particularly crucial because insulin resistance is a common issue among people who are overweight or obese, and it can lead to type 2 diabetes and other health complications. So, how can you use berberine for weight loss? The most studied dosage for weight loss is 500 milligrams taken 3 times per day, for a total of 1500 milligrams per day. It's best taken before meals as it has been shown to help with blood sugar control, which can reduce cravings and overeating. However, it's essential to start with a lower dose, like 500 milligrams per day, and gradually increase it. This is because berberine can cause digestive side effects like cramping, diarrhea, or constipation in some people when they first start taking it. It's also worth noting that, while berberine can aid weight loss, it's not a standalone solution. Combining it with a healthy diet and regular exercise will yield the best results. For instance, a diet high in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, coupled with regular physical activity, can enhance the weight loss effects of berberine and improve overall health. Moreover, berberine's weight loss benefits are not just about reducing numbers on the scale. This supplement can also help tackle the root causes of weight gain, like insulin resistance and unbalanced blood sugar levels. By improving these underlying issues, berberine not only helps in weight loss, but also contributes to better metabolic health. It's important to be patient and realistic when using berberine for weight loss. Like any supplement, it doesn't work overnight. The studies mentioned earlier showed results over a 12-week period, which suggests that it takes time to see significant weight loss effects. Safety is another important aspect to consider. Generally, berberine is considered safe for most people when used at the recommended dosages. However, it can interact with certain medications, especially those for diabetes, as it naturally lowers blood sugar. Therefore, if you are taking any medications, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before starting berberine. Furthermore, while the weight loss effects of berberine are promising, it's not suitable for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, children, and individuals with certain health conditions should avoid it. As with any supplement, it's always best to err on the side of caution and speak with a healthcare professional before adding it to your routine. Let's talk about side effects. One common set of side effects involves gastrointestinal discomfort, which can include symptoms like diarrhea, constipation, abdominal pain, and bloating. These issues may vary in severity and can often be mitigated by adjusting the dosage or taking berberine with food. Another significant concern is the potential for berberine to lower blood sugar levels, which can be advantageous for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance, but may also lead to hypoglycemia if not carefully managed. Berberine can interact with various medications, affecting their effectiveness or leading to adverse effects, so it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider, especially if you are taking other medications. Additionally, individuals with liver or kidney problems should exercise caution when considering berberine supplementation, and pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid it altogether due to limited safety data. While berberine may offer potential benefits for weight management, its side effects underscore the importance of informed and monitored use under the guidance of a healthcare professional. In conclusion, berberine can be a valuable addition to your weight loss arsenal. Its ability to activate AMPK, improve insulin sensitivity, and regulate metabolism makes it an effective supplement for weight loss and metabolic health. However, it's not a magic pill. Successful weight loss with berberine also involves a healthy diet, regular exercise, and lifestyle changes. Remember, the journey to weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint, and incorporating berberine can help you along the way. With patience, perseverance, and the right approach, it can be a great ally in achieving your weight loss goals.